guys, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be sponsored by UNICE hair or UNICE hair. What they did is sent me over a wig, and inside the package we have a wig cap. This right here is a head wrap scarf. I'll show it to you in a minute. They send you over some clips and some lashes that I will be using. Okay, so this is what they sent over. I thought it was like a head wrap, but it's actually a scarf, a whole full scarf, and I really like it a whole lot. So this is the wig that they sent over to me. It is 24 inches, I'm thinking. I think it's 24 inches. So let's go ahead on and get into this wig, guys. The packaging is really nice. This is a color, honey. This is a vibe right here for me because I wanted something that was going to be colorful. Oh, my goodness. Honey, look at this wig. Yes, this is so beautiful. So this is a lace front wig, and the parting space is, it's a lace front, but you have this much parting space right here. You will have, I will have all the specs and everything down in the description bar. It's a nice wavy pattern. I like the pattern. Let's see. It does have a pre-plucked and baby hair. You can put your baby hairs down, but it's pre-plucked. Okay. The lace is a nice natural HD lace. Oh, yes. Okay. And the parting space is how much parting space you get. It's a comb here, here. And it's some, in case you want to put it up, you have lace in the back, and you have a comb in the back with adjustable strap. And let me, this smell, you know how you buy Barbie dolls? This is what it smell like. And let's see. As far as the shedding, I'm not getting any shedding so far. Okay, so I'm going to be installing this wig today. It's about time, honey, that I do an install for you guys. So let's go. Okay, guys, so we are in our spot where we're going to be doing this wig. So right here is the highlighted wig that we have, which it has honey blonde in it. This is a Brazilian Remy hair, 150 density. Look at these highlights in here, y'all. 150 density. And the lace is 13 by 5 by 1 right here. So 13 by 5 by 1, and it's 150 density. It is a body wave, like I said, 24 inches, and it is gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is just go here on and install this baby. Let's install this girl and see how gorgeous she is, because she is really pretty, y'all. Soft to the touch. Now, usually I use my spray inside of the parting. I don't know if I'm going to use that. I probably just use some concealer. I don't know. Okay, I did not use a stocking cap at all. I don't use stocking caps anymore for my wigs. I just don't like the feeling, y'all. Sometimes it don't feel so comfortable to me. So, she is gorgeous. She is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Okay, so we have a whole lot from ear to ear, guys. Ear to ear right there. And wow, this is a lot. This is a lot of lace, which is really good because it gives you the choice to be able to cut it where you want. So we're going to go ahead on, y'all. I'm going to set this camera up a little bit better so you can be able to see the long parts of it as well. And we're just going to go ahead on and get it together. Now, I'm going to be using She Is Bomb hair wax stick. I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using also the BTZ Turn Up the Heat. I'm probably going to put it down with Boho Liquid Gold. And I'm going to be using my curling iron, and I'm going to be using a blow dryer. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Okay, y'all, I want y'all to know this is very big head friendly because it goes... It's really big, y'all. It's big head friendly. Now, it's not big to the point where as though you like, ooh, I can't do this. It's not like that, but it is big head friendly. And it's like a little mark right here, the little ear tab thing. So you really can't cut a whole lot. So I'm going to cut what I can. Okay guys, so I am back with some clothes on, and I want to use something to kind of like wave it up more, but I don't want to put any curls in it at all. Okay, so I'm gonna wet it up a little bit more. Yeah, I just want to wet it up. Hold on, let me take this off. I want to see if it's gonna come back. It should. Look at that. Yes, and I'm going to use the BTZ Frozen Stiff. Actually, no, I'm not going to use that. I was going to use that to just hold it in place, but I'm going to try to see if I can squeeze some mousse out of here. I know it's not a lot, but I need to buy more. And this is my favorite one, the Elastic QP. I love that, but I don't have a lot in here, so I'm hoping I have some for this other side, y'all. And I'm not going to use the brush or anything too much because I don't want to comb out all of my curls. So, oh, y'all, I'm barely making it with this. It's gone. You see, it's just gone. So, oh my goodness, I have to get some more. So, I'm gonna go ahead on and scrunch it up. And y'all, we gotta take us some pictures. Okay, look, this what I'm talking about, honey. Yes, that's what I'm talking about right here. You see that? Do you see that? That hits me down there, honey. Yes, I love this. Look at this hair, guys. It is so beautiful. So this is 24 inches, and this is the Brazilian Remy hair from UNICE or UNICE hair. I love it. It's beautiful. It's manageable. It was easy to install. I love the fact of my scalp. It's not bad. Everything looks really good. Everything looks really put together, y'all. Okay. I'm happy your girl is back with some good hair in her head. Okay. She is back with some good hair in her head. And this is actually what the word I'm looking for. This is the 13 by 5 by 1. So it's really small, but you do have lace go towards the frontal. And you have some in the back. I didn't even cut the lace in the back. It's okay. It's 150 density, and I will have everything else you need, like the color. I know it's honey blonde in here, but I will have the color and everything that you would need to know, honey, to get your hands on this wig. Okay. All right, guys. So you already know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.